So the hair that I will be using I got from AliExpress. The hair comes in this package. It was a bob. It comes with this wig cap, also some eyelashes. This is the hair outside. It's a little thinner than I had expected, but I will put a link for this hair in the description, so if you want to go and get it. This is the hair outside the box. I just put it on, and as you can see, the part isn't as defined, so I definitely have to open up this a little bit. The first thing I do is, of course, bleach the knots. The amount of time you allow the bleach to sit on your lace depends on how much you want it to be bleached. I leave mine for about 30 minutes, and that's just my personal preference. And then, of course, the line was as defined as I said earlier, so I'm just going to take my time and tweeze it out. The hair is actually thin, so I'm not going to go tweezer happy. So this is the hair after it has been washed. I gotta say, I am a bit disappointed with the back. The ends are completely uneven, so I have to straighten it on my own, but it's not a big problem, but I was just a little bit disappointed. So I measured on my head where I wanted to stop, so that's where the elastic band comes in, but I'm actually not going to cut there because I have to leave room for error because your girl messy. So as you can see, I'm not cutting at the band, I'm cutting a little below it because I need room for error, which you will see why. Exhibit A. But anyways, that was completely fine. I'm just going to measure up all the level. I'm just going to measure it to the shortest level because I'm going for that blunt cut look. This is your girl afterwards. So I'm going to use the elastic band, and I like to secure the ends with fire so it won't frizz out after I have it on the wig. And I'm just stretching it from one side to the next, stitching it down from at the front. Nothing too special. And this is what it looks like at the end. And I'm just pressing the hair. Yes, this is the final product. I actually did a fake scalp on there. If you want to check that video, I'll link it down in the description. But this was how it turned out, and I got to say I love it.